race. Away they go. Graceful Conqueror from the outside. Moving up is Santiago together with Celestial. And moving up by the rail is Royal Family, Dugus Charm, Nice and Easy. Santiago by ahead, followed by Celestial. Royal Family racing third, moving up by the rail, Dugus Charm, Nice and Easy. And Graceful Conquerors now running at the tail of the field, back to the leader. Santiago by a length and a half, followed by Royal Family in second. Celestial, Nice and Easy is moving up in fourth, rounding the far turn. Santiago by half a length, followed by Royal Family. Nice and Easy is now running in third. Celestial, Dugus Charm, and Graceful Conqueror as they race the final corner. Santiago this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Royal Family in second. Nice and Easy, Dugus Charm, Celestial, Graceful Conqueror, and nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Santiago by about 7 lengths, and finally Jesse Apelido on Santiago. Second, Royal Family, Nice and Easy, Dugus Charm. For your
2